Welcome to Fix Repair. Today's video will be about the transformation from this completely destroyed laptop to this all-in-one PC in less than 60 minutes. So let's start. We will be using this old HP laptop for this project. As you can see, its display is completely destroyed. And even if it is a 2016 HP Pavilion X360, its components are still more than sufficient even by today's standards. It runs on an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor. We have also increased the memory from the original 8GB to 24GB of DDR4 RAM, which should be more than enough for a normal home office computer. Since the display is non-functional, and in the BIOS we do not have an option for assigning an external monitor through HDMI, which basically means that when the laptop started, the image is first displayed through HDMI output on the connected external monitor. Some laptops have this option in the BIOS settings, but not in our case. So we simply disconnect the LCD panel from the motherboard. Now I will try to connect the laptop to our monitor to see if we get any picture. In the background we can see our monitor. It is an Asus 27-inch Full HD monitor. And finally we managed to get an image from our laptop to the monitor. So now we can continue with our little project to turn this old laptop into an all-in-one computer in less than 60 minutes. As you can see, we replaced the previous two 4GB RAM slots with our new 8 and 16GB slots. Since there are many components that we will no longer need, such as the display or the battery, we will start dismantling these components. We won't even need a battery for our new all-in-one PC, since the system will run through the charging cable. Now we can disconnect the keyboard and touchpad, since we won't need them anymore. And after mounting the laptop on the back of the monitor, we will not have access to them, so they don't have to stay connected. Now we can detach the display in the frame. After disconnecting the flex cable for the front camera, I can safely remove the entire frame. When we have the frame disconnected, there is one more thing that we will need, and that is the Wi-Fi antenna that is built into the panel. So now we have to disassemble the display panel. Since I won't be using it anymore, we don't have to be very careful not to damage it. This panel is held together by adhesive tape, so opening it is a challenge. During repairs, for example replacing the LCD, we use a heat pad to heat the panel, and then we can easily get inside. Now let's disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna. Since our monitor doesn't actually have speakers, we use the speakers in the laptop, which, to my surprise, are quite good. Just connect the Wi-Fi antenna and we're done. And we have the hardware of our all-in-one computer ready. We can connect it to our monitor. We used adhesive tape, simply mounted the computer to the back of the monitor. Since this all-in-one computer will stand back to the wall, we won't mind that it looks a little strange with the keyboard on the back and so on. Since it was about turning an old damaged laptop and monitor into an all-in-one PC in less than 60 minutes. After installing all the updates and drivers, I must admit that I am more than satisfied with the result of our small project. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you liked the video, leave a like. Thank you for watching.